Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create audio spectrum effect inside of After Effects. So, this video is divided into two parts. In this part we will learn how to create the effect. In second part we will learn how to make logo react to the audio. Let's continue. First, create a composition. Now right click on the composition and create a new solid layer. Name the solid layer as Audio Spectrum, and hit OK. Now go to Effects and Preset tab and search Audio Spectrum. Drag the effect to the solid layer. Now import the background. And solo the solid layer. Import the audio file. Now to go to the effect control and change the source to the audio file. Here you can see the frequency bands are now moving. Now change the start point value to 0. And end point value to near about 960. Change the end frequency to 230. Now increase the frequency bands to 2000. And change the height according to your need. Change the side option to side B. Add polar coordinate effect to the layer. Change the value to 100. And change the mode to react to polar. Now add a mirror effect to the layer. Change the x-axis value until you get a circle. Now duplicate the effect layer. And change the settings as shown. Now add some Gaussian blur to the background. You can also add some contrast as per your need. Go to the project window and add the logo to the composition. And adjust it in the circle. Right click on the composition and add a new solid. Name it as snow. Now go to Effects and Presets and drag Snowfall effect to the solid layer. Adjust the snow according to your need. While I am adjusting the values, here is an announcement. I have created a Facebook page for this channel, where I will upload some interesting things. So don't forget to follow that page. Let's continue. Change the blending mode to add. Place the snow behind the spectrum. Now select the layers and pre-comp them. Go to Effects panel, add drop shadow to it. Finally, we have created audio spectrum effect very easily in After Effects. So this is the end of part 1. In next part I will show you how you can make image react to the audio. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.